everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about lemons, and I have some suggested food and flavor combinations that are known to go well with lemons. So if you're looking for some ideas for some new recipes or for some meal ideas, just something a little different, hopefully this will help you out. Combine lemons with almonds and coconut. How about lemons with apples, honey, and romaine lettuce in a salad? How about lemons with arugula and Parmesan cheese? Or lemons with asparagus, black pepper, and pasta? How about lemon with asparagus, pecans, and rice? Lemon with basil and mint? Lemon with blueberries, honey, and ricotta cheese? That sounds interesting. Lemon with blueberries and yogurt? We know that's a good one. Lemon with capers and white wine in a sauce. Lemon with cauliflower and tahini. Lemon with coconut and strawberries. How about lemon with garlic, mustard, olive oil, oregano, and vinegar? How about lemon with garlic and oregano? Lemon with garlic and parsley? Lemon with green beans and parsley? Lemon with mint on top of zucchini? Or lemon with risotto, thyme, and zucchini? These all sound interesting to me. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.